In today's automotive world, electric vehicles dominate headlines, with futuristic designs and cutting-edge technology setting the pace for the industry. But what if we told you one of the earliest EVs, from nearly 50 years ago, has been given a new lease on life? That's exactly what happened to this quirky 1976 CitiCar, a wedge-shaped electric city runabout that was once considered ahead of its time. Now it's back, restored, refreshed, and powered by modern Nissan Leaf battery cells. At first glance, this CitiCar looks completely original. The 12-inch steel wheels, the ABS plastic body shell, and the white vinyl seats all appear untouched by time. Even the thin wood-grain dashboard is still intact, without cracks or dry rot. Considering what decades of sun exposure usually do to white ABS plastics, fading them into a dull yellow, it's astonishing how factory fresh this little car looks. But here's where the story gets interesting. Beneath that minimalist bodywork lies a big secret. The car's third owner, based in Portland, Maine, took this CitiCar beyond simple restoration. Instead, they performed a clever EV restomod, replacing its outdated and heavy lead-acid batteries with a pair of modern lithium-ion cells sourced from a 2018 Nissan Leaf. This single change transformed the character of the CitiCar in ways its original builders could have only dreamed of back in the 70s. To understand the upgrade, we need to look back at what powered these quirky microcars originally. Depending on the version, CitiCars came with either a 36-volt or 48-volt lead-acid battery pack feeding a small electric motor producing just 2.5 to 3.5 horsepower. That power was enough for short urban commutes, but the efficiency was questionable at best. Worse, the original lead-acid packs were not environmentally friendly, weighing in at a staggering 460 pounds and posing serious ecological risks if disposed of improperly. The Nissan Leaf cells, by comparison, are dramatically lighter, more efficient, and far safer. While no exact performance data has been shared for this particular swap, the benefits are obvious: reduced weight, improved reliability, and a sustainable energy source that makes the CitiCar far more practical for modern use. It's a perfect example of how classic EVs can bridge the past and the future when enthusiasts with mechanical know-how step in. Of course, being nearly half a century old, this CitiCar isn't without its quirks. There are reports of minor leaks in the braking system and differential, issues to be expected with such a niche vehicle. But overall, the car remains surprisingly roadworthy. And at just $5,500, it offers something truly unique for collectors and EV fans alike. Imagine rolling around your neighborhood in this retro wedge, turning heads with a car that looks like it stepped out of a sci-fi movie while humming along with modern electric power. This project highlights an important point in automotive history. The evolution of electric cars is not just about innovation, but also preservation. Enthusiasts are proving that even the earliest experiments in EV mobility still have a place in today's world, especially updated with modern components. The CitiCar, once dismissed as a quirky oddity, now stands as an icon of how far electric mobility has come. For many, this 1976 CitiCar is more than just a car. It's a piece of EV heritage, now revitalized with 21st century technology. Quirky, charming, and undeniably forward-thinking for its time, this retro-modern creation shows that the future of electric cars is just as much about honoring the past as it is about building the next generation.